Good morning, students. I hope you all are now ready to study. Yesterday I have discussed noun. I think you all must have studied that what is noun. You all must have purchased your book till now, and you must have read the chapter now. Noun. Yesterday I told you that a noun is the name of a person, place, animal or a thing. You can be a noun, I can be a noun, cat, dog, tree, anything you see around is a noun. Okay? Whatever things which have a name is called a noun. All of you look at your surrounding. All the surrounding is full of nouns. When you go to a garden, what do you see? You see a tree, flower, birds, soil, many things you see. All these are noun. You go to your mother's kitchen, you will see varieties of utensils there. Each utensils have a particular name. All these are noun. You all have understood now? Got it? Now we are going to start part 2. Part 2 noun, that means how many types of nouns are there? There are 5 types of nouns. How many types? 5 types of nouns are there. But in this class third, you have to study only 3 types. That is common noun, proper noun and collective noun. There are 3 types of noun. There are 5 types of nouns: common noun, proper noun, collective noun, material noun, abstract noun. But in this class only you have to study 3 types. Which types? Common noun, proper noun, collective noun. There are 5 types of nouns. Okay? Common noun, proper noun, collective noun, material noun, abstract noun. But in this class, in class third, you only have to study common noun, proper noun and collective noun. All these 2 nouns, material noun and abstract noun, you will study in class 4th. Okay. So now let's start with the common noun. Now what is a common noun? A common noun is a name given to any person, place, animal or thing. A common noun is a name given to any person, place, animal or thing. So, for example, you are a boy. When I say a boy, that means it is referring to all the boys. So it is a common noun. If I say a girl, girl means I am referring to all the girls. If I say a river, that means all the rivers in the countries. All the rivers have water. If I say TV, TV means all the TV. What is the work of the TV? You see cartoons, you see movies, you see many serials on the TV. So, TV is a type of TV is what you see where you can enjoy yourselves. Mobile, what is mobile? What is the work of mobile? The work of mobile is to communicate with the others. Each mobile helps to communicate. Kite. What is kite? Kite is common noun. And why kite is, if I say one kite, if I say a kite, that means it is referring to all the kite. What is the work of the kite? It flies in the sky. Bag. Bag means, what is the work of bag? It is the work of bag is to where we keep the things we can carry from one place to another. So bag is a common noun. When you go to school, you see different things in your classroom. Different things in the classroom. Duster, chalk, chart, chair, desk. All these are what? All these are common noun, because this duster, chalk, chart, chair, desk, it is common in all the classes. So this is a common noun. Doctor, carpenter, painter, teacher, cobbler, sweeper, all these are what? These are common noun. If you say a park, park is also what? Park is a common noun. All the fruits name, all the vegetables name, all are what? All are common noun. Got it, all of you? Now, I will give you, now let's take some examples. One thing more, children. Common noun is always written in small letter. Remember this thing. Common noun is always written in small letter. Why this I am telling common noun is written in small letter? When you will study proper noun, then you will come to know that why ma'am has told that common noun is always written in small letter. Now come, let's take one example. John has to go to school tomorrow. John has to go to school tomorrow. Here what is a school? School is a common noun. School is a place. Remember, school is a place. It is a place where we study. So, school is a common noun. I live in a big city. Here city is a common noun. City is a place. City is a place. And city where everybody lives. So city is a common noun. Let's go to park today. Park is what? Park is again here common noun. You are a boy. If I say you are a boy, boy is what? Boy is common noun. If I say you are a girl, girl is what? Girl is common noun. Brothers, sisters, all these are what? These are common noun unless and until I give them a specific name. Got it, all of you? All the names of the seasons, it is also a common noun. All the things which you keep inside your bag is a common noun. Many of the things which you see around yourselves is a common noun till they have a specific name. Now remember one thing, children, that a common noun is always written by a small letter. That means the initial letter, that means the first letter is always written in small letter. Now you will ask me, ma'am, what is initial letter? Or let me clear you. If you write apple, A-double-P-L-E, apple, the word apple starts from which alphabet? A. Then A here is initial letter. That means first letter. I hope you all must have understood what is a common noun. Now come, children. I will give you the homework to select some of the common nouns. Okay. Now we will start proper noun. What is proper noun? Proper means what? Proper means something that is perfect. Something that is perfect. Something. Okay. Now proper noun is the name of a particular animal, place, animal or a thing. Proper noun is also a name of any person, place, animal or a thing. But what is the difference between common noun and proper noun? That proper noun has a particular name. You all know that elephant is a common noun. Okay. Elephant is common noun. But if I say rosy elephant, here rosy is what? Rosy is proper. And elephant is what? Elephant is common noun. Got it, all of you? Now, if I say here, teacher. If I say here teacher, teacher is what? Teacher is common noun. Teacher is common noun. But if I say Mr. Das is a teacher, here Mr. Das is proper noun and teacher is a common noun. Got it all of you? We have, sometimes we have both these common nouns and proper nouns in the same sentence. Mr. Das is a teacher. Now you see, Mr. Das is proper noun and teacher is a common noun. Got it all of you? And remember one thing, children. What we have learnt in common noun, that common noun's initial letter is always written in small letter. Whereas in proper noun, the initial letter is written in capital letter. This makes the vital difference between proper noun and common noun. Got it all of you? If you are confused to recognize the proper noun and common noun, then how you will recognize proper noun? That remember one thing, that proper noun is always written in capital letter. Okay? Got it all of you? You all have learned? Now what is your name? Suppose your name is Rita. Okay? Suppose your name is Rita. Rita is a girl. Rita is a girl. Oh, wait. Leave all these things. I think in your class, one of the students' name is what? Wait. Arushi Gupta. Take one of the example. Arushi Gupta. Arushi Gupta. Arushi Gupta is a good girl. Arushi Gupta is a good girl. Here Arushi Gupta is what? Arushi Gupta is proper noun and girl is a common noun. Got it all of you? Now come, let's take another example. Abhay Raj. Abhay Raj is good in playing cricket. Abhay Raj is good in playing cricket. Remember my sentence. Abhay Raj is good in playing cricket. Abhay Raj is proper noun and cricket is common noun. That means all the sports name is what? Common noun. Got it all of you? Now, your name. Let's take another example. You all study in a school. School is common noun. Okay. You all study in a school. School is a common noun. But if I ask you, in which school do you study? In which school do you study? What you will say? Sacred Heart Academy. This Sacred Heart Academy is what? This Sacred Heart Academy is proper noun. Because you are giving what? The specific school's name. Got it all of you? Now come here. Let's take another example. Everybody's mother uses washing machine to wash the clothes. Your mother uses na washing machine to wash the clothes. Say yes, ma'am. Yes, I have heard you have said yes, ma'am. So, do you know what is the name? Which brand your mother uses the washing machine? What is the name of that washing machine? Maybe it Videocon, maybe it may be Samsung, maybe LG, Philips. There are several, sorry, no children, there is no Philips. So children, there are several brands of washing machine being used in different houses. The name of the brand is also written in capital letter. And this name of the washing machines is also what? Proper noun. You will write the word washing machine in small letter, but the name of the washing machine, Videocon's machine, washing machine, this Videocon you will write in what? You will write in capital letter. That means it is a proper noun. Okay. When you go to buy slippers or shoes, what do you see? You see Lakhani shoes, Bata shoes, ARP shoes. Then you just remember, just put in your mind that all these spellings, initial letter, that means first letter is written in capital letter. And since it is written in capital letter, it is a proper noun. Got it, all of you? Everybody have understood? You go to several malls for shopping. For shopping you go na. Now you see. You go to V-Mart. V-Mart. Now you go to V-Mart. 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 This V-Mart is written in capital letter. This V is written in capital letter. Okay. Because this is the name of a mall. Okay. This is a place where you go for shopping. Whenever you go to V-Mart, children, you just see that this V is written in capital letter. Okay. Where you go to shopping again, you go to Vishal Mega Mart. You go to Vishal Mega Mart. This is again a place for shopping. All of you see now. Vishal. V of Vishal is written in capital letter. Mega of M is written in capital letter. M of Mart is written in capital letter. So all the brands name are written in capital letter. Got it? You can see, check your parents' mobile also. All the names, all the initial names will be written in capital letter. Got it, all of you now? Okay. Now children, common is almost opposite to proper. Got it, all of you? Common is almost opposite to proper noun. In common noun, you always write the initial letter in small letter. And in proper noun, your initial letter is written in capital letter. Okay. Now children, let's see here. Now I think I should give you many examples to clear you. Okay. That day I gave you many sentences to write. Delhi is very crowded. Delhi is very crowded. You all must have written N as a noun. But what is Delhi? Delhi is common noun or proper noun? Delhi is a proper noun. Why proper noun, ma'am? Because there is only one Delhi. There is no any other Delhi. So Delhi is a proper noun. Okay. The Taj Mahal is beautiful. Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal. What is the Taj Mahal? It is a common noun or it is a proper noun? It is a proper noun. Because only one Taj Mahal is there in the world. So the Taj Mahal is the proper noun. Rita is tall and thin. What is Rita? Rita is a girl's name. It is a name. This Rita is the name given to a specific girl. So Rita is a proper noun. If I would have written here Rita is a good girl. Here girl is a common noun. But Rita is a proper noun. Now children, one thing more. All of you answer me. All the proper nouns initial letters is written in capital letter. Okay? All the proper nouns are capitalized. Got it all of you children? That means it is written in capital letter. We can swim in the pond. We can swim in the pond. Here, since no specific name is given here. No specific name is given here. Pond is written here, and pond, P of pond is written in small letter. So, pond will be common noun. Got it? Australia is a large island. Australia is a large island. Australia is what? Australia is a proper noun. How can you recognize proper noun? Because it is written in capital letter, and Australia is the particular name given to an island. Okay. I have discussed what is an island. What is an island? A land surrounded by the water is called the island. Okay. Now come the next example. He lives on Mount Road. Come children, listen to me. Listen to me clearly. He lives on Mount Road. He lives on Mount Road. Now see here children. Road. Road is a common noun. Road is a common noun. But since here this road has got the specific name. This road has got the specific name. So we will not say here road as a common noun. It will be a proper noun. Got it all of you? The road which has a particular name, it will be called the proper noun. Where is your school situated? Your school is situated on Pipraich Road. Your school is situated on Pipraich Road. So we always write this Pipraich P in capital letter and this road in capital letter. Got it all of you? Okay. Now children, I am giving you some homework to do. Okay. You will see on the WhatsApp that I have given you the homework. You have to select proper noun and common noun. Okay. I am giving you a lot of homework because now I will come back on next Friday. So you all will select proper noun and common noun and you will write in a copy. First you will write a sentence. First write a sentence in the copy and then write which is proper and which is common below that. Okay. I will give you one example that how you will do. The same way you will do. Okay. John goes to school every day. Now sentence you will copy from the mobile this way and you will write here proper. Proper is John and common is school. So in this way you will do your work neat and clean. Your next sentence is Anuj is a good Singer. You will write here again proper, and then you will write here Anuj, and again here write common, and write here singer. Got it, all of you? Okay. Now children, you all will do your homework. Don't waste your time, okay? And your this lesson noun, it is the 4th chapter of your textbook. It is given on the 4th chapter. So you all read noun from that chapter, okay? If you don't have noun, if you don't have your new book, you can take the help of your last year book also. In that it must be given, okay? You will learn from there only. Got it now? And do your work. Don't waste your time, because when the school will reopen, you all will have your test, okay? Okay children, have a good day. Bye children.